If we get the rate down, you actually can bring home prices down, you build more houses, you actually reduce inflation. So I think it's quite consistent to bring the interest rate down, even though the economy is operating at a pretty good level. Where we're going is to a lower level of inflation, and I think we can bring it down. I mean, you think about inflation break-evens today, depending on which part of the curve, are 2.5 to 2.75. So the funds rate, even if you bring it down to 3.25, you're still above the rate of inflation. So I think we got plenty of room to drop it, even though the economy is operating well.
The chief investment officer of BlackRock, this guy right here, just confirmed how the Federal Reserve should lower interest rates. He is calling on Jerome Powell and the U.S. Federal Reserve to lower at least 1 to 2%. Lowering the interest rates would actually lower inflation because it would bring down prices on many goods and services. This is massive. If you own any cryptocurrency or stocks or real estate or any asset, actually, BlackRock is one of the most powerful organizations in the entire world. BlackRock wants the U.S. Federal Reserve to lower interest rates. So that's probably going to come up very soon because right now the U.S. federal funds rate is way too high. Right now, the interest rate is higher than where it was before COVID. And it is at the same level as where we were back in the 2008 financial crisis. So the interest rate, as you can tell, is way too high. It needs to come down at least 1 to 2%. And that is exactly what the BlackRock CIO, Chief Investment Officer, has confirmed. This changes everything. If you hold XRP, XLM, or HBAR right now, tap like button, smash the like button. Let's get 1, 2, 5,000 likes on this video because XRP is about to make a new all-time high very soon. Yes, XRP's buy now signal is on. And as you can tell, when this buy now signal is on, you need to pay attention. This is the same buy signal that turned on back in November when President Trump won and XRP did a 6x. Yes, this is the same buy signal that is on right now. We did come down a little bit in the past few days, but we have been holding this buy signal. And this means that we can easily go to $4, $5 very soon. Stellar. XLM is also showing the same bullish buy now signal, everyone. Yes, this is huge because XLM can now reach all-time highs just like XRP because XRP is at all-time highs. So XLM will reach all-time highs soon as well. So this buy signal is on for XLM. It's the same buy signal that turned on back in November when XLM did a 6x and went from about 8 cents to 60 cents. In less than a month, XLM did a 6x. So this buy now signal is on again. This is huge. This is massive. This is important. Pay attention to this, everyone. Hedera, HBAR. Last, but definitely not least, also, the buy now signal for HBAR has turned on a few days ago, and I told you, buy now, pay attention to this. I made a video about it just a few weeks ago, and ever since then, HBAR has basically doubled in price almost. It has gone from about 15 cents to 30 cents, and we can easily reach new all-time highs for HBAR. In the next few days, Hedera HBAR can easily go to 40 cents, 50 cents even, because this buy now signal is on for HBAR, so pay attention. The next FOMC meeting is in the next few days, and there is a 4% chance that the Fed will lower interest rates. So if they actually lower it, then this will catch the market off guard. The market is not expecting for the Fed to lower rates. If Jerome Powell actually lowers interest rates, then this will be massive for cryptocurrencies. Also, right now, the M2 money supply is at an all-time high. So this means that the U.S. Federal Reserve is printing money, and they're going to lower interest rates very soon as well. So imagine what's going to happen to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, HBAR. All of your top cryptocurrencies are going to explode. And also, the White House on July 30th, in the next few days, is going to release a crypto report that has to do with Bitcoin, CBDCs, digital assets. Potentially, we'll speak about XRP's addition to the strategic reserve. Yes, we're still waiting on XRP, Cardano, Solana to be added to the U.S. strategic reserve. Big news is coming on July 30th. And all of you can create your own cryptocurrency on the XRP ledger right now, anywhere in the world within 5 minutes, easily using Banxchange. This month, over 61 tokens have been created on XRP using Banxchange. Every time a token is launched on Banxchange, BXE burns a small percentage of token supply. Banxchange is the top DeFi project right now on XRP, where you can buy and sell all of the top XRP cryptocurrencies, XRP meme coins, directly on Banxchange. They have a potential partnership with Ripple and a massive institutional tokenization program launching on August 1st. Big news is coming out for Banxchange in the next few days and weeks. Everything is powered by the BXE token. Yes, ever since we started speaking about BXE, it's done a 3-4x already and can easily keep going up. A lot of big things are coming up for Banxchange now in the next few days and weeks, so I will leave a link to Banxchange down below. That is why XRP, XLM, and HBAR are going to pump very soon. Yes, big things are coming up in the next few days for cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, digital assets in general, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, XLM, HBAR are all going to pump, and we're going to see a massive bull run very soon. And if you own XRP, XLM, or Hedera, or any cryptocurrency actually right now, the next few days are going to be massive, huge. So join us, subscribe. I will keep you all updated every single day. Until next time, Crypto AI Man